Hello guys, we can play some Rubik's Cube. This Rubik's Cube is so amazing. My mom is paid Rubik's Cube on Jolly Chic. Download Jolly Chic on the Google Play. Please. First we can scramble. This scramble is so easy. But we can touch a solution too. Ready? Start. U R2 U L2 F2 D2 U2 R2 come on F U F D F2 I can touch it anymore R prime D prime R prime B R U I scrambled the 19 move. Oh, look at this. So easy. Okay, we can solve. How can we solve it? Let's see. Whoa, 3 solutions? I need solution 3 because it's so easy. Okay, hang tight. Okay, F2. Hey, wait. I started an orange, sorry. Oh, and okay. F2. Yeah, F2 is so easy. Come on, pause. L2. L2. Yeah, so slow. D prime. R2. Yes, Sierra Leone flag here. D prime. F2. Nothing F2 prime. D2. Ireland. Oh my god. Back. B2. F. D2. 3 blue here. F2. L2. D prime. F. L. U2. R. U. F prime. The last one, R prime. Woohoo! Parallel 20 move. I solved, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please like. Okay, bye bye. Wait, what? I could.